Welcome to the Money Intelligence YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Today we're delving into an intriguing topic that has puzzled minds for centuries. How to build wealth from nothing? No, we're not talking about tricks or overnight successes. This is about real, tangible, and practical steps you can implement to improve financial standing. It's crucial to remember that wealth isn't purely about money. It comprises assets, investments, and resources that accumulate value time. Therefore, the first step toward generating wealth is refining your perception of it. The second step is to get educated. Knowledge is a powerful tool in wealth creation. Learn about finance, investing, real estate, and more. There are countless resources, both offline and online, that can help you in this journey of learning, from books, podcasts, courses, to mentorship programs. Third, start saving and budgeting. This might seem like a trivial step, but it's one of the most important ones. You need to know where your money is going and make sure a part of it is always set aside for savings. Fourth, consider starting a side hustle. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to make extra income. Whether it's freelance work, selling products online, or offering a unique service, a side hustle can be a significant step towards building wealth. Fifth, invest wisely. Once you've saved enough money, don't let it sit idle. Make your money work for you. Whether you choose to invest in stocks, real estate, or start your own business, make sure you've done your research and understand the risks involved. The sixth step is to continuously reinvest your profits. The key to growing wealth is to keep the cycle of investment going. The profits you make from your investments should be put back into other investments. The seventh and final step is to stay patient and consistent. Building wealth from nothing doesn't happen overnight. It's a long process that requires commitment and patience. In summary, the path to building wealth involves redefining your understanding of wealth, getting educated, saving and budgeting, starting a side hustle, investing wisely, reinvesting your profits, and staying patient and consistent. Remember, wealth isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's not about how much money you have, but the assets and resources you've built over time. It's about making smart decisions, taking calculated risks, and continuously learning and growing. So, set sail on this journey of wealth creation, and remember, it's not about starting with a fortune, it's about creating one. Happy wealth building. As we wrap up this video, we hope you found these insights valuable. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and each step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. If you found this video interesting, found value in our content, or learned something new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends, family, or anyone you think may benefit from it. By subscribing, you'll be part of our community where we share more tips, strategies, and advice on wealth building. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing is caring. So let's continue this journey together. Happy wealth building.